Hello everyone, I'm Sally Camacho, pastry chef for the National Mango Board, and today I will be making a delicious, piping hot mango souffle for you. So to prepare my pan for the souffle, I'm going to coat it with butter because this will actually help you release the souffle from the pan, and then I'm going to coat it with some sugar. And then I'm just gonna rotate this pan so all that sugar sticks to the butter. And any excess gets dumped back in our ramekin. So now this is coated, I'm going to set this aside while I make my mango souffle base. For my mango base, I'm going to use fresh mango puree that I've pureed from Kent mangoes. You can really use any mango. You definitely just want to use a nice ripe mango. Then I'm going to mix that with some flour that's going to give us a little bit of stability for our souffle. And my heat is off. So I'm going to whisk this until the mango puree has absorbed the flour and there's no lumps. Once there are no lumps, we're gonna bring this to a full boil. We actually only cook this for a very short amount of time. It's cooked for about 15 minutes in the oven, so we definitely want that flour to get cooked already beforehand. And this pre-gelatinization of the flour really helps for stability for our souffle. It helps us give us a nice rise as well. So now that I've got it to a full boil, I'm going to remove it from my heat and let it slightly cool down. In another bowl, I have some creme fraiche here, and I'm going to add some egg yolks, and I'm gonna whisk these together. Then we're going to add our mixture that we just cooked, our mango and our flour, into our bowl with our egg yolks and creme fraiche. And then we wanna whisk that. And you wanna whisk that until it's nice and smooth. Got that all mixed up? So I'm gonna set this aside while I work on my meringue. So what gives souffle that lift is meringue. So we're gonna go ahead and start making that. I'm going to add my egg whites into my electric mixer. I'm going to add cream of tartar, sea salt, and whip that on medium speed. Once that's a little frothy, I'm going to rein in my sugar, and then we're going to beat our meringue until it is soft, medium heat. Okay. That's what we want. So we want that like a little bit of a ribbon action happening, but then it's holding a peak at the end. So now I'm going to fold my meringue into my base. You wanna always make sure when you're folding, you go to the bottom of the bowl and lift up. And then turn the bowl at the same time. So once we've got that mixed in, then I'm gonna add the rest of my remaining meringue. And then I'm going to fold everything all in. Once this is done, I'm gonna pour it into my prepared pan and bake it immediately. You do not want this mixture to sit at all. I'm going to bake it at 375 in my preheated convection oven. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's piping hot. You wanna dust powdered sugar right after, just like that. You wanna serve this with some fresh mango and then some whipped cream if you like as well. And you wanna also be careful because the pan is piping hot. So when you're serving it to your guests, maybe put a little towel around the handle and just make sure that everybody is aware that the pan is hot. We do not wanna burn ourselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a piece. You can tell when it's done really in the oven by color on top. You just want it nice and brown. And you definitely want the middle to still be jiggly because you don't wanna overcook your souffle as well. So I'm gonna serve my souffle with fresh cut mango and some slightly sweetened whipped cream. So what's good about this is that it's a nice family style serving portion in a skillet. It's great for family dinners, any holiday gathering that's intimate. We wanna eat this souffle when it's piping hot. I'm gonna go for a bite, get some cream and some mango there. The fresh mango with the hot souffle really makes this a crowd pleaser. To get this recipe and a whole bunch more, visit mango.org.